My name is Kathleen Awuor. I am a graduate from the data science core program from Zindua. At the same time, I'm also a student pursuing electrical engineering at JKUAT. I wanted to do data science because I wanted to be able to pick up on a skill that I could use to implement the course I'm doing so that I could be able to also bring in the tech world and the electrical part of science. Before joining Zindua, I was just mainly focusing on my course. For me, what makes Zindua different from other learning experiences that I've had is the fact that they are patient and they take time to really support the students and ensure that they are comfortable and that they get the most out of the learning experience. Yeah, my first impression of Zindua is it was like our family in a way. The way they teach the students, the way they help you learn concepts, they don't rush you and they make sure you understand everything that you're learning. Honestly, I can't say learning code is easy, but they made it easy for me. So I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, they're very supportive. They ensure that you get everything and that you have everything you need to have a comfortable experience in the learning process. I can't say I've faced any major challenges. Maybe challenges with things like projects, working on projects. But I've been helped by my technical mentor because I was able to be given more time and they helped me to also come up with good ideas that resonate with what I want to do. Since joining, I've learned the technical skills like coding and also how to make a presentation in front of people. I've learned public speaking in Zindua. The mentorship and guidance has been very helpful because it has helped me know which path I'd like to take with my career and the opportunities that are out there that I could get through coding. I can say projects that I'm proud of is my final capstone project, mainly because my technical mentor really helped me work through it and, get data and ideas to be able to bring it to life. Zindo has made me realize that I don't have to focus on one career path, that I can expand and I can find so many opportunities that could work for me. I don't have to follow a specific route that has been set out. I can go and find my own niche. My plans for the future is to be able to use the skills that I learned and bring it together, the skills that I'm getting from my degree, to be able to start and pioneer projects that could help bring change in the world. Yeah. If I could describe Zindua in one sentence or word, it would be memorable because for me, being part of Zindua has been a really memorable experience for me. I would 100% recommend Zindua to others, mainly because I feel like they take into consideration the fact that not everybody has a coding background, so they are patient enough to help you learn coding skills from scratch and and enjoy the whole experience and even mentor you as you get into the whole tech world. Through Zindua, I have found friendships and connections, mainly with the class that I was with, my classmates and my teacher at the time. They've really helped me navigate tech and coding in general, and I'm glad to have met them through Zindua. I feel confident and prepared for the job market, mainly because I know that I have a support system through Zindua where I can get mentorship and guidance to help me navigate the job market.